Struggling with debt and wondering what happens if you can't pay it off? In this video, you'll learn exactly how bankruptcy works, the different types, and smart strategies to avoid it, all in under 3 minutes. Bankruptcy is a legal process that helps people or businesses eliminate or repay their debts under the protection of the court. It's designed to give a fresh start, but it comes with serious consequences for your credit and financial future. People who have more debt than they can reasonably repay, or who face foreclosure, repossession, or lawsuits, may consider bankruptcy. It's often seen as a last resort after other options are explored. Chapter 7 is called a liquidation bankruptcy. It wipes out most unsecured debts, like credit cards and medical bills, but may require you to sell certain assets to pay creditors. Chapter 13 sets up a repayment plan, allowing you to pay back your debts over 3 to 5 years while keeping more of your property. It's ideal for people with steady income who want to avoid losing assets. Filing for bankruptcy significantly lowers your credit score and can make it harder to get loans, credit cards, or rent for years. It can stay on your credit report for 7 to 10 years, affecting financial opportunities. Bankruptcy can stop collection calls, prevent foreclosure, and relieve overwhelming debt. It gives temporary legal protection so you can reorganize your finances without constant pressure from creditors. Before filing, consider alternatives. Negotiate with creditors, consolidate debt, or set up a strict repayment plan. These options can protect your credit while helping you regain control. Track your spending, cut unnecessary costs, and focus on paying down high-interest debt first. Even small steps, like building a $500 emergency fund, can prevent financial collapse. If you do file, you can still rebuild your credit. Pay bills on time, monitor your credit reports, and responsibly use secured credit cards or small loans. Bankruptcy is a reset, not the end. Some people think bankruptcy erases all debt or that it's a sign of failure. In reality, it's a tool to get back on track, but it must be used wisely and only when necessary. Now you know how bankruptcy works, the types, alternatives, and how to recover. Subscribe to Money Basics Library for more under 3-minute money tips, and check the video description for our book with deeper strategies to manage debt and protect your financial future.